See, there could be multiple reasons. One reason could be it is ingrained in their habit, making fun of somebody's ethnicity or making fun of somebody's body. Think about that person who is being made fun of. Then people may be motivated by the greed quotient. They want to take advantage of some situation or some person to fulfill some of their aspirations or needs. That could be one reason. Another reason could be they are looking for pleasure. Like, say, for example, exploiting the system, taking money back home, and therefore getting things out of that money and drawing pleasure from those things. Then there could be legal loopholes. The laws could be weak. That's why people know that there is no problem even in being unethical because the laws will not harm me. Or the institutions are weak. Say, for example, there are judicial delays and the perpetrators, they are not booked immediately, or the prosecution is not swift. So you can understand that will also embolden those who are unethical. Apart from this, maybe they are ignorant about the laws, they are ignorant about the society, they do not know that what is happening in the society or what are the ethics of the society.